Next contestant.
Anong name mo? Lynn. Okay, Lynn. So, okay.
I hear the ticking of the clock. I'm lying here, the room speech dark. I wonder where you are tonight. No answer on your telephone.
Ang lamig ng boses, no?
And the night goes by so very slow. Oh, I hope that it won't end
Can you sing another song
Oo,
for us?
kasi nagmumore sila. Kanta ka pa isa.
Help me if you can, I'm feeling down. And I do appreciate.
Ang galing-galing po ni Lynn, ha?
Oh, help me get my feet back on the ground.
Yeah.
Won't you please, please help me?
Thank you,
Para po
Lynn.
kay Miss Ayan.
Let's vote.
Okay, Lynn, ako, you got it.
Salamat po. Salamat po.
Ako, yes na yes ako.
Salamat po, Sir Billy.
Ako, gagamitin ko yung expression ni Ay, isang bakulaw na yes.